it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I have partnered up with FABFITFUN to do an unboxing of their new Spring Editors box. I am casually just resting on my box. It's huge and it weighs so much. This is what my box looks like. It's a really pretty peachy kind of shade, which I love. I love packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. So excited to just pop this baby open and start digging through everything. I see this box literally everywhere. It's all over Instagram. This box weighs so much. Just holding it up, my arm's a little sore. That's probably how out of shape I am, but it is a pretty heavy box. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know what FABFITFUN is, but if you have no idea, if you've never heard of them, or if this is your first time, I'm here to explain and I'm here to help. FABFITFUN is a seasonal box, so you receive a box every season for $49.99. So every spring, summer, fall, and winter, every season. It's not a monthly subscription box, it's a seasonal subscription box, which is a little bit different. Each box retails for $49.99, but it has a value of over $250, and everything is full size. It is not only a beauty-based box, you're also getting fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products, which is great. We're used to beauty subscription boxes, so this is a little bit different. This is going to push you to try different fashion stuff, different lifestyle stuff, so I'm excited for that. They were nice enough to give me a coupon code for you guys. It is not an affiliate code. It is just a coupon code for you to get $10 off your first box by just using my name, Nelly, and that's gonna get you $10 off your first box. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. And my arm hurts. So once you open it up, this is what the box looks like on the inside. I'm gonna rest this in my vanity because this is heavy. So the first thing that I see is this magazine. It has a couple cool articles in here, like some fitness stuff. It also talks about how the boxes are curated and all that good stuff. So this is great to have just to read along as you go through your box. Next thing that I see in the box is this note card right here. And you wanna keep this handy because this gives you a description as well as prices for everything that's inside your box. So I'm gonna keep this handy just so that I can read along with it as I am showing you guys the stuff. So let me put this right here before I lose it. The next thing that I see in the box is this HelloFresh $50 off card, and I am so excited for this. If you guys follow me on my Instagram and on my Snapchat, I cook all the time and sometimes I have no idea what to cook, so this is definitely going to come in handy and I'm really excited to put this to use. That was everything that was before the seal, so I have popped open my seal and this is what the box looks like. It is so heavy. So this is it in here, so we're just going to start grabbing and picking and talking about it. I am such a makeup junkie that the first item I grab, it's an eyeshadow palette. So this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals palette in the shade Leave Your Mark. And this retails for $30. Let's pop this open and see what it looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like. It has a nice gold packaging with some hot pink kisses and it matches my nail polish. Perfect. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh wow, this is really pretty. This is like the perfect neutral everyday palette. I love palettes like this because you can do so many different looks with them. You can do something super natural to do something really dark, and it's really nice and small and compact, so you can throw this in your purse, in your makeup bag, and you're good to go. So I'm really happy with that. The next thing that I see in my box is this little baby right here, and I am so excited to try this because I have heard so many people rave about these little buffers. This is the Spun Gel Body Wash Infused Buffer. I got the scent French Lavender, which makes me so excited. I love anything lavender scented. This is a body wash and a buffer, so it's going to cleanse your skin, it's going to hydrate the skin, but it's also going to exfoliate it at the same time. And I am very excited to use this tonight in my shower. This smells really good. I'm gonna put this right here so I can take it with me to my shower when I go shower. By the way, this retails for $16. So Moving on. Alright, so the next thing that I see in my box is the hot and cold gel pack. This is a gel pack that you can make either hot or cold. It says that it's freezable, microwavable, and reusable. This is one of those items where you don't think you need one until you have one. If you suffer from really bad menstrual cramps, I know this is getting a little bit too personal and too TMI-ish, but this is something that's going to save your life. It's going to make you feel so much better. I get really bad shoulder pain from editing, and when I'm really stressed out, the first thing that I get is just really bad shoulder pain. So I'm really excited to try this and see how it works. And it's really cute. It says, we can fix a broken heart, but we definitely can take care of your aches and pains in style. So really excited to try this. This retails for $15. Again, one of those things where you don't think you need one until you have it. Alrighty, so next thing that I see in the box is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. Really cute. I like what they did there, and they put a little winky face because it's called Kate Somerville, and then they named it Exfoliate. Get it? Kate Exfoliate. This is an intensive exfoliating treatment. This retails for $75. Oh wow, this is really expensive. This is an exfoliating treatment, and for $75, I'm sure this is great. I like to exfoliate my skin every other day. My skin can handle it. It keeps my skin very nice and fresh and breakout free. So I love to exfoliate. Just for this product, you have paid off your box and then some. So excited to try this. Again, I am taking this with me for my shower. I have 2 things already that I'm trying out tonight. I'm excited. Okay, so moving on, next up we have the Free People and Understated Leather Eye Mask. This says that this is a vegan leather eye mask, and it features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. And this retails for $40. It's really cute. It has gold and silver stars, and you can feel the jelly inside. You can pop it in the fridge, make it nice and cooling, and then put it in your eyes to feel refreshed. I have never seen an eye mask this fancy. The strap in the back is actually adjustable, so you can adjust it to your head size, your eye size. Putting this with my little pile of things to try tonight. Alrighty, so moving on. The next thing that I see in my, ooh, is that Aisha? That's Aisha Curry. Oh, I'm so excited for this. This is the Homemade by Aisha Curry I'd Rather Be in Bed ceramic mug. What? This retails for $16. Oh, I'm excited for this. I am having my tea on this. So many things I'm trying tonight. I'm so excited. Ooh, it's a really pretty teal shade. Oh wow, this is really pretty. I'd rather be in bed. That's me every day of my life. This mug is me every day. I'd rather be in bed right now. So it's a really pretty mug. It's a nice big size. So if you are a coffee lover and you love a big cup of coffee, you will love this mug. I am not a coffee drinker, but I do drink tea. So this is gonna come in handy, and it's a nice addition to my mug family. I love mugs. I collect mugs. I love them. So, and it's by Aisha Curry. Aisha, I always feel like I'm saying her name wrong, but I freaking love her. So this is awesome. We also got a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I have actually tried this before, so I am really excited that I now have a backup, because I do have one in my shower that is almost gone. So thank you, because now I have a backup, because this puppy is expensive. This retails for $30. But it is the best deep conditioning mask. I am trying to grow out my hair, so instead of using conditioner, I have been using this, and you guys, my hair is growing and I love it. So I am so excited that I got this in my box, and for those of you who have never tried this and go pick up the box, I'm excited for you to get this and try it out for yourselves. And the last thing that is in the box is the Summer and Rosé. Is that what it's called? Summer and Rosé Striped Tote Bag. So this is the black one. You can either get a black or a blue one. I got the one that's black and white. which I love black and white, as you can tell by my backdrop. So it's a tote bag that you can take to the beach, take it with you to the gym, to do groceries, wherever you want. A tote bag is always a must. I always have one with me in the car because I always have 1,000,001 things to bring down from the car. So I always use tote bags to just help me travel things back and forth. So this is definitely going to come in handy. So, and this retails for $54. Wow. Okay, so that is everything that was in my box. I went ahead and added everything up that I received in my box, and we got a total of $276. And you only pay $49.99 every 3 months, and you get over $200 worth of products. So that is crazy. That is incredible. I don't know how these subscription boxes do it because that's just amazing. So that was everything. If you're interested, I am going to have everything down in the description, including my code. Again, it's an affiliate code, but you are going to be able to get $10 off your first box. So yeah, that is going to do it for today, you guys. Thank you for watching. I love you. To you guys, I get to do cool opportunities like this one, and that just means the world to me. So your support and your love means everything to me, and thank you to FABFITFUN for partnering up with me and bringing this to you guys. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. So I love you, and I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Mwah.